Cold open. Cracking the code to successful self-publishing on Amazon might seem daunting, but it's achievable with the right marketing strategies. Here are a few to consider. First, identify your target readership. Understand their interests, preferences, and reading habits. Second, optimize your book listing. Use compelling descriptions, relevant keywords, and eye-catching book covers. Third, leverage Amazon's promotional tools. Kindle countdown deals and free book promotion can boost your visibility. Fourth, build an online presence outside Amazon. Engage with readers on social media, start a blog, or create a website. Fifth, consider hiring a book marketing service. They can provide expertise and save you time. These strategies can help you reach more readers, increase book sales, and ultimately generate a steady income stream. Curious to learn more? Click the link in the description box and kickstart your Amazon publishing business today. And if you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep aiming for those literary stars.